Oh my. And this is definitely the place to be. Pagudpud Beach. See off in the distance. Pagudpud town. And then right up in the distance you got the windmills. There they are. There's the restaurant and resort. Some of the boats. And here's some of the beautiful Pagudpud scenery.
Wow, Pagudpud scenery tayo yun. That's us. Pa? Ah, souvenir.
Yeah,
Okay na to? Oh, sige.
here's a restaurant we're going to be having dinner. In here. What's up there? Campship.
Ba't walang margin yung pangalawa?
Way, I'm getting splashed by the waves. Here at Pagudpud Beach. Up here. Come on, jump in! Jump in, jump in! Jump in! Push her, push her! Good job. Come on, wrestler, dive in!